Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how you can edit this cupcake topper template. So these are all set up already to fit the 2-inch circle. So this is what I would do to edit this, okay? I would make an additional page. I mean, you could go through and you could edit each individual one of these, but then, you've got 20 separate things that you have to edit. What I would do instead is I would make a second page. So you're going to add this page here. And then I would select everything in one of these boxes. And I would copy it, doing a Control-C. And I would Control-V it down here. Now it looks like I didn't get the background. So let me do Control-C. Oh, sorry. I zoomed out. If you do this, you just go down here at the bottom and you can zoom back in. And then over here and do a Control-V. All right, and I'm going to move the position to the back in case you accidentally do the same thing. All right, it looks like I didn't grab this either. So let me just select both of these at the same time. Do a copy. Gosh, I keep doing that, sorry. And then a V. All right, so then I've got this whole one right here. What's easier to do is if you can actually hold your shift key down, click on the outside, click on all the elements in here so they're all activated, and then do Control-C, scroll down to this page, Control-V. Okay, then you can just move all of it up to right there so that you've got them on the same kind of line. You're going to go 4 across. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to punch these out anyway. All right, so now you've got your designs, right? And all you have to do is click on here and replace it with your logo. So say you're going to have to upload your logo. You go over here and you'll upload your logo. And okay, say I'm going to switch it to this panther, right? So I'm going to take this panther and I'm just going to slide it over there. Now you're going to want to use a PNG file. So if you don't know if you have one, just do a Google search for whatever your team name is, logo PNG, and then you should be able to find it. And then you're going to put it on there. If you need to change the name, obviously you will, to whatever it is, say Dallas Stars, well, I guess Panthers. I can't even see what I'm typing there. Okay, there we go. Let me just say Panthers, and you can change the font size. So that's right over here. You just go up here to increase or decrease the font size and whatever your second line wants to be, right? All right, so then for this one, you're just going to change the name right here. So the same way, you can double click into the words and that'll highlight it, and you can just start typing. And there you go. All right, now you need a whole page of these, right? So go ahead and do the little trick I told you before where you hit the shift and your mouse key so you can click all the elements that are in here. So this particular one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements. Then you're going to do a Control-C and a Control-V, and you're just going to drag the whole thing over. And that's how you copy it. So you can do another Control-V and you've got another one. Okay, so that's how you just fill up the page. So up here, this one's got how many elements? Hold the shift key, use your mouse, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to hit each of the elements. Then do a Control-C, Control-V, and then just click anywhere in that box while it's still highlighted and move it to the next spot. So then you're going to fill up your whole page, and you can go ahead and over here, once you're done, you're going to click share. When you click share, then you're going to hit download. Okay. So once you hit download, if you're going to send this to like a print shop, like Kinko's, I would do PDF print, best for printing. And then, because we have 2 pages on here, right? We have the original page that everybody's going to go into and kind of look at. And then we have the page that you are creating, right? So you can go in here and choose page 1 or page 2. And so in your case, you're going to choose page 2. Okay. Click done. And then you can just click download and it'll download to your computer. It'll probably ask you if you want to accept downloads. Okay. Then when you're done, once you're satisfied with it, make sure you're 100% satisfied with it, right? Then go ahead and you can leave it here if you want, but it'll still be there for the next person who's using this template. Or you can click right here, delete page, and then we're back to the original document. Okay? So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions on how to use Canva. I'm happy to help. I've been using it for several years now, and I love it. So enjoy and happy Media Day.